How to change lock screen password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen password on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one, password. Click on it and here you will find password settings. You can just click change lock screen password and you can find it. Just click here, search, and just type your password, and here you will find lock screen password. Click on it and then just click change lock screen password. Now just type your password and then type new password here, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to change lock screen password on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.